Welcome back children. Children, in our previous class we have started chapter 5, division. In that we have learned division as repeated subtraction. Means we have to subtract divisor with dividend till we are getting 0. Yes. Then we have learned division facts. Then we have learned division using multiplication tables, and then we have learned long division also. Yes. So this many topics we have learned already in our previous class. Now we are going to learn exercise 5.4. So let's solve question number 1. Divide the following numbers using long division method. This long division method we have learned in previous exercise also. Yes. So same way we will solve this one also. Only one thing is different in this exercise. What is that? Here we will get the remainder also. In previous exercises we were not getting any remainder now. Now we will get the remainder also. So see, this 38 we are going to divide by 4, means 38 we have to write inside the division sign, and outside we have to write this 4. Now we have to read this 4's table till we are getting 38. But in 4's table we are not having 38. So what to do children? We have to read the 4's table to get the less number, less than 38. We may read the table till we are getting any less number which is less than 38. So see, here we can see if we are reading this table of 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32 and 4 9s are 36. So how many times we can read? We can read it 9 times. So here we will write 9, and down when we are reading this table of 4 9 times, which number we are getting? We are getting 36, means down we have to write here 36, and we have to subtract. So 8 minus 6 how much? 8 minus 6 is 2, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So now we have to write the quotient and remainder also. So what is the quotient here? See, quotient is this 9, and the remainder, how much is left after division? 2. So this is the remainder, that is 2. So like this we have to write quotient and remainder also. Yes. Now we will solve this one also. Here also we will write this 29 inside the division sign, and then we have to write this 6 here outside, and we have to read the table of 6 how many times? We have to read it till we are getting 29 or less than 29. So see, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. If we are reading 5 times, then we are getting 30, which is more than 29. It means we can read it only 4 times. Yes. So 4 times how much we are getting? 4 times we are getting 24. Yes. So here we have to write this 4, and down we will write 24. Down you have to write the number which you are getting in the table after reading this many times table. Yes. So this 24 we will subtract here. 9 minus 4, 5, and 2 minus 2, 0. So see, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Yes. So this way also you may show the quotient and remainder. This is the answer after dividing. So this is quotient and this is the remainder which is left after division. Yes children. Here also you may see this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Yes. Solve question number 2. Divide the following numbers using long division method and check the answer. See children, same way we have to divide this question also as we solved in question number 1. But here we have to check the answer. Check means we have to see our answer is correct or not. So first we will divide as we divided in question number 1. This 7's table we have to read how many times? We we have to read the 7's table till we are getting 54 or less than 54. So we will see 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49 and 7 eights are 56. Now see children, if we are reading this table up till 56 means 8 times, then 56 is more than 54. So we cannot take 56. It means we have to read this table up till 49 only, means 7 times. So we will write here in the quotient 7 and this 49 we have to write here down and subtract. Yes. So here this 4 is less number. So what to do? We have to borrow from here. So this 5 will become now 4 and here we will get 10 from here and this is 4. So this is now 14. Yes. Now this 9 we have to subtract with this 14. So 14 minus 9 how much? It is 5 and this is 4 minus 4 0. So what is the quotient? See, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Yes children, quotient is 7 and remainder is 5. Now we have to check our answer. So to check our answer we have to use this formula children. See, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Here D is divisor, Q is for quotient and R is standing for remainder. Yes children, so we will put the value. See, dividend is how much? The number which is being divided, that is 54. So here we have to write 54. Now divisor, the number with which we are dividing, that is 7. So here we have to write 7 and then quotient, that is also 7. So we have to multiply with 7. 7 sevens are how much? 7 sevens are 49. So we got 49. Now what to do? We have to add this remainder. Remainder is how much? That is 5. So we will write here 5 and add. So this is 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 how much? 14. So we will write here 4 and we got 1 carry over here. Now 1 plus 4 how much? 1 plus 4 5. Means here also we got 54 and this is also 54, means both the sides are equal. Yes, means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it means our answer is correct. Yes, if both the sides are coming equal, then our answer is correct. Now same way we will solve this one also. 8's table we will read till we are getting 75 or less than 75. See, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64 and 8 nines are 72. If we are taking after 72, it is more than 75. So we have to take up till this 72 only, means how many times? 9 times. So here this is 9, the quotient. Now 9 times we are getting 72. So here we have to write 72 and subtract. 5 minus 2 how much? It is 3 and 7 minus 7 it is 0. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 9 and remainder is 3. Yes. Now we have to check our answer. So dividend we have to see what is the dividend. This is 75. So here we have to write this 75 and this side what we are having? Divisor is 8, means 8 we have to multiply with quotient is 9. So 9 we will write. Now 9 eights are how much? 9 eights are 72. So here we have to write this 72 and then we have to add this remainder. Remainder is how much? This is 3. So 3 we will write here down and add. 2 plus 3 how much? 5 and this is 7. So here also we got 75. It means both the sides are equal. So here also this is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yes children. So it means our answer is correct. So this way you may divide and check your answer also. Yes children. Now we will see next exercise. Now let's start exercise 5.5. Question number 1. Divide the following numbers using long division method. So long division method already we did in previous exercises also. So same way we will solve this one also. Yes children. Here 97 we have to divide by 9. So 9's table we have to remember here. So this 9 I have written here outside and 97 inside. Now we have to read this 9's table. Yes. So see children, if here this is 9 means this number is equal or more than this divisor, then we will take only one number. No need to take both the numbers together. So first we will read this 9's table only for this 9. So how many times we have to read? 9 ones are 9. So here 9 ones are 9. This is 9 only. So 9 minus 9, 0. Now what to do? We have to complete the division for this ones place digit also. So this digit we will carry here down. 7 we will write here. Now we have to divide again. But see children, this 7 is less than 9. So how to solve now? How to divide? What to do? So now we will read this table of 9 how many times? 0 times. Yes? How many times we will divide? 0 times. So here we will write 0 and here also we have to write 0. 9 zeros are 0. So how much is left? 7 minus 0, 7. Yes? So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Yes, quotient is 10 and remainder is 7. Yes children, so this way you may divide if we are having two-step division also. Now we will see this one. Here 56 we have to divide by 5. So 5 ones are 5. This 5 we will write here and subtract. So 5 minus 5 how much? 5 minus 5, 0. Now we have to bring this 6 down. So we will write the 6 here. Now see, this 6 is more than 5 means we may read this table of 5 how many times? We may read 1 time. 5 ones are 5 again. So here we have to write 1 and here we have to write 5. So 6 minus 5 how much? 6 minus 5, 1. It means this is the remainder 1 and this is the quotient. Quotient is equal to how much? This is 11 and remainder is equal to how much? Remainder is 1. Yes? So this way we have solved two questions of question number 1. Now we will solve two more questions. Now let's solve this third one. Here this 826 we have to divide by 4. So 826 we will write inside and 4 outside. Now we have to read this 4's table first. How many times 4's table divide this 8? Yes? So we will see 4's table how many times we have to read. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Means how many times we have to read it? 2 times. Now here what to write? Here we have to write 8. 4 twos are 8. So now 8 minus 8 how much? 8 minus 8, 0. Now what to do? This second digit we have to write down. So now we will write this 2. Now you can see children, here this is 4 and this is 2 means less than 4. So what to do? As we did in previous question, first we have to read the table of 4 how many times? 0 times and we have to subtract 0 with this 2. Yes children? So here we will write 0, 2 minus 0, 2 only. Then now we have to carry this 6 here down. Yes. Third digit. Now how much we got? We got it is 26. Now how much we got? We got 26. So see how many times we will read. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. 24 we will see. Here we have to write 24 and subtract, and here we have to write 6 because we read table how many times? 6 times. Now we have to subtract this. So 6 minus 4 how much? 6 minus 4, 2, and this is 2 minus 2, 0. Yes. So how much we got quotient? See, quotient we got 206, and remainder how much we got? We got remainder 2. Yes. So this way you may solve if there is 3-step division also, means 3-digit numbers also you may divide easily. Now we will solve this one. 797 we have to divide by 7. So like this we will write numbers. Now we have to read this table of 7. We will see this is 7 only, means 7 ones are 7. So here we have to write 7 and subtract, and here we have to write this 1 because we read table how many times? 1 time only. 7 minus 7 how much? 0. Now we have to carry this 9 here down. So how many times? 7 ones are 7 only, because if we are reading 2 times 14 is more than 9. So again we will read this table only 1 time, and here we will write 7 ones are 7, means 7, and here 9 minus 7, 2. Now this 7 we have to carry down. So we will write here 7. So how much we got? 27. Now for this 27 we have to read this table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, and 7 fours are 28. If we are reading 4 times, 28 is more than 27. Yes, but we have to take less number only. It means we may read only 3 times, means here we have to write 7 threes are 21, and we have to subtract, and here we have to write 3. Yes, now 7 minus 1, 6, and 2 minus 2, 0. Yes, so what is the quotient? See, quotient is 113. So here we will write 113, and remainder how much? Remainder we got 6. This is 6. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. Yes. So this way we have solved 2 more questions of question number 1. So same way you may solve other questions also. Now we will see second question. Now let's solve question number 2. Divide the following numbers and check your answer. See children, here also we have to divide and check as we did in previous exercise. Yes, so first we will divide this number 594 with 8. So we have to read this 8's table. First we will take these both the numbers because 5 is less than 8. So we cannot take first digit only. We have to take these 2 digits together. Yes, so now for 59 we have to read the table of 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So here what is the dividend? See, dividend is this 594, the number which is being divided, 594. So here we have to write this 594. Yes. Then we have to write here which number? Now what we have to write? We have to write this divisor. So divisor is how much? Divisor is 8 and we have to multiply this divisor with the quotient. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 74. So first we will write this bigger number 74 and this 8 we will multiply with this 74. Yes, quotient and divisor. So 8 fours are how much? 8 fours are 32 and how much we got carryover? Carryover we got 3. Now 8 sevens are how much? 8 sevens are 56 plus 3 how much? 56 plus 3 59. So we have to write here 59. Yes. Now what to do? We have to add the remainder here. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. So we will add here 2 on ones place. So 2 plus 2 how much? 4 and here 9 and this is 5. Yes. How much we got? We got 594 and here also it is 594, which is the dividend. It means our answer is correct. Means we got left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this way we may check our answer of division also. Yes, now we will do one more question of this, question number 2. Now let's solve the second one. See here we have to divide this 7536 by 6. Yes, so we have to read the 6th table. We will start with this 7. Yes, 7 is more than 6, so we will take only one digit. So 6th table, how many times we have to read? 6 ones are 6 only. So here we will write 6 and here we have to write 1. Yes, now we will subtract this. So 7 minus 6 how much? It is 1. Now we have to carry this 5 down, second digit. So we will write this 5 here and we will read again 6th table. See, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. If we are reading 3 times, we are getting 18, which is more than 15. So it means we may read only 2 times. 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So here we have to write this 12 and subtract, and here we have to write, and here we have to write how much? It is 2. Yes. Now see, 5 minus 2 how much? 3 and 1 minus 1 0. Now again we have to carry this third digit here down, 3. So we will bring here 3. So how much we got? 33. So we will read this table again. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30 and 6 sixes are 36. 36 is more than 33. It means we may read up till 30 only 5 times. So we will write here 30 and subtract, and here we have to write this 5, 6 fives are 30. Now this is 3 and this is 3 minus 3, 0. One more digit is left, this one. So this also we will carry down here, 6. Now how much we got? We got this 36. So for 36 we will read this table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30 and 6 sixes are 36. We got 36 only. So how many times? 6 times we read the table and we got 36. So here 0 and here also 0. Now this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So quotient and remainder we will write here down. Quotient is 1256 and remainder is 0. Yes. Now we have to check our answer. If this answer is Divisor, how much is divisor? Divisor is 6 and quotient is 1256. So these both we have to multiply. So first we will write this 1256 and with this we have to multiply this divisor 6. Yes, so we will write here 6. Now 6 table we will read 6 times. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30 and 6 6s are 36. So here we have to write 6 and 3 carry over. Now again 6 table 5 times. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. Then we have to add this 3 and 30. So 30 plus 3 how much? 33. So 3 down and again we got 3 carry over. Now 6 table 2 times. 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Plus 3 how much? 12 plus 3 15. So here we have to write this 5 and 1 carry over on thousands place. Now we have to read the 6 table how many times? Now we have to read the 6 table 1 time. 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. So here we got this 7. Yes. Now what to do? We have to add this remainder. So remainder is how much? It is 0. So we will add here 0 on 1's place. So this is 6. This is 3 and this is 5 and this is 7. How much we got? 7,536. And here also it is 7,536. This dividend means both the sides are equal. It means our answer is correct. So we may write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yes. So this way you may divide any number and you may check your answer if the answer is correct or not using this formula. Now we will have a short recap. Let's have recap, children. In this class we have learned division with remainder. In previous classes we have learned division without remainder. Now in this class we have learned division with remainder. And then we have learned division of 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers. Yes, using long division method. So these topics we have learned in this class. Now I am going to give you some homework. So solve it in your homework copy. Children, this is the homework. Divide and find the quotient and remainder. These questions you have to divide and write the quotient and remainder. Then in question number 2